This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Welcome to Royal Riviera APT 601. Available May through October. 1 block to South Beach. This is a lovely 6th-floor penthouse corner unit with an open floor plan, updated furniture and finishes, turnkey and ready for an easy 3 short months stay or up to a 6-month stay. Pool and with plenty of parking. Ocean to river views from a relaxing sunroom. Expansive views from rooftop, 1 flight up with 2 community rooms. Shared laundry on floor. Active 55+ community. Close to downtown and South Beach area dining and shopping. Quick drive over to the mainland. East of A1A. Elevator. For more information, review the details below.